Number 5. First Alert SCO5CN. Battery-operated smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Features an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensing technology. Indicator lights on the face of the unit display the presence of smoke or carbon monoxide. Battery-operated unit installs quickly and easily without an electrician. Simple to use, with a single test/silence button. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. USI Electric MICN 109. 3-in-1 alarm provides triple the protection with a single installation. 120-volt AC/DC hardwired alarm with backup battery. Mount the bracket to any standard wiring junction box. Features a quick activation pull tab and a front-loading battery drawer. Comes with a 7-year limited warranty. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Kita KN COP 3. Peak level button. Test button functions. LED operation. 10 years after the initial power up. Power source, 120 back. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Nest Protect. Smoke and co-locator. Carbon monoxide is an invisible, poisonous gas. Nest Protect tells you where it's hiding. The split-spectrum sensor looks for both fast and slow-burning fires. Connect Nest Protect to Wi-Fi. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. First Alert SC9120B. Hardwired smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. The battery backup means constant monitoring. Features an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensing technology. Can connect to other compatible brake or first alert detectors. Simple to use, with a single test/silence button. Please check the description for details and best price.